So I think I'm finished restoring the 1964 3 horsepower Johnson. It was a really great learning experience. I don't have the 5-inch extension on it, but I can put it on. Probably when I sell this, I'll probably offer it with the 5-inch extension for people that like to use this as a kicker. But basically, this had new impeller, new coils, points, capacitors, wires, boots, spark plugs, carb kit. Whole thing got sandblasted, repainted, new decals, and then a finish coat of 2-part epoxy to keep everything safe from gas spills. Next thing I'm going to do is put it back into the water can to basically winterize it, run the gas out, and make sure there's no gas left in the carburetor. The one thing I don't like about these models, although they look beautiful, if you want to do something as simple as remove the spark plugs and spray in some fogging oil, you'd have to remove the handle, remove the cowling if you want to access the spark plugs or even the carburetor. And that's a pain in the neck. I can't imagine anyone even doing that when they're out on the water and they have to, change a foul plug. It's basically impossible, which I guess is one of the reasons why a lot of people run these engines without the lower cowling. Next up on the agenda, after I finish this one, I'll use this engine until I do a restoration on this nice little 1956 3 horsepower Johnson. And so doing this one here was a really great learning experience to get me ready to do the next one. But before I can start that, I've got another project to do. I've got to restore a mower deck for a garden tractor, and that's going to take me all winter. So maybe I'll see you guys again in the spring. Take care, and thanks for tuning in.